Yeah, hello. In that video I am talking about iPhone 12 mini review. The iPhone 12 mini is priced starting at rupees 69,900 in India. Apple prides itself on setting trends and not following them, and the iPhone 12 mini is a prime example of that. In a world where nearly all smartphones have 6-inch or larger screens, this new 5.4-inch model does not stand out, even as the iPhone 12 Pro Max launches with the biggest screen ever on Apple phone. The company balances things out with the various options as well. It's aimed mainly at people who have been holding on to their older, to say older iPhone 5 or 6 era devices because they like size, but it also might just solve a problem that you didn't even realize you had. When you hold the iPhone 12 mini in your hand for the first time, it just makes sense. Sure, it isn't for everyone. Mainstreams phones are huge because that's what sells, but I think a lot of people will feel relief and satisfaction when they see an option like this. I also think a lot of people will choose the iPhone 12 mini over the standard iPhone 12 purely because of this. It isn't just about size. Apple has launched the iPhone 12 mini in India starting at rupees 69,900 rupees, which is even higher than iPhone 11's launches price as well. The default iPhone 12 cost an additional rupees 10,000 each storage level. That makes Apple's new compact device the most affordable member, relatively speaking, of the iPhone 12 family, and that has to factor into people's buying discussion and lot of views as well. That's all for that exciting news. Thank you very much for watching. Must subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye bye.